Hello everyone, welcome to Persia Sky. This is Persian with Fazal. Today I want to teach you how to introduce yourself in Persian. Introducing yourself has different parts, the most important of which are name, nationality, and job. When you travel to Iran, it is very important to be able to introduce yourself in Persian language. I will teach you this with some questions and answers. So let's learn. First, we have a greeting. Salam. 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 It means hello. And Khubi. 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 It means how are you? Khubam. Mamnoon. Khubam. Mamnoon. Khubam. Mamnoon. It means I'm fine, thanks. And what's your name? اسم شما چیست؟ اسم شما چیست؟ In spoken we say اسم شما چیه؟ اسم شما چیه؟ For example, اسم من فاضل است. اسم من فاضل است. Or in spoken, اسم من فاضله. اسم من فاضله. Or you can say من فاضل هستم. من فاضل هستم. And nationality. Where are you from? شما اهل کجایی؟ شما اهل کجایی؟ Or شما اهل کجا هستی؟ شما اهل کجا هستی؟ من اهل ایران هستم. من اهل ایران هستم. Or من ایرانی هستم. من ایرانی هستم. And the last part is about job. شما چه کاره هستی؟ شما چه کاره هستی؟ It means what's your job? Or شغل شما چیه؟ شغل شما چیه؟ For example, من استاد هستم. من استاد هستم. I'm teacher. Well, I hope you learn it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Bye.